Got it, Steph. Thank you so much. Let's turn our attention to COVID-19 now. And the question is, can York Region once again avoid going into lockdown? We're going to find out today if the region will be joining Toronto and Peel in that gray zone. Kevin Misener from 680 News is north of the city with more on this.
Even though it appears more and more likely that York Region will be joining Peel Region and Toronto in the grey or lockdown zone, there is some resistance still. The mayors and regional councils in many jurisdictions within York Region asking for at least another week, hopefully to allow the red or control measures to take effect with regard to the spread of COVID-19. Now, the cases have been edging ever higher in York Region. Even the medical officer of health in York Region, Dr. Kareem Kurji, is indicating that the metrics do not look good. There is also an indication in York Region that perhaps some of the hospitals are in a bad situation dealing with high patient volumes and dealing with the COVID-19 patients. It's been described as being at a tipping point with regard to the local health system. Now, some local residents are suggesting that perhaps this is a necessary measure. Some people say they'd be disappointed if they would go into lockdown like we're seeing in just south of Steeles Avenue here in Toronto and across the border in Peel Region. Another interesting indicator in York as well, the highest concentration of new COVID cases, or at least confirmed COVID cases, seems to be in the area at the south border of York Region, specifically in Vaughan and Markham. Vaughan especially, which borders on Peel Region and York, is seeing upwards of about 5,500 cases of COVID-19 compared to, say, about 500 to the north in King. Of course, that could be a product of an increased population, but certainly concerning situation in York Region. The announcement could be made today, as early as today, that York Region could be joining Peel and Toronto in the lockdown. Kevin Misener, 680 News.